Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. I think there is little change on the chart. We can still see a potential B wave top. That is currently the primary scenario. I've got another wave count on the chart as well because it hasn't been invalidated, but it still seems to me that Bitcoin is planning to make another low. However, until we break below 25,620, a support level we talked about in the last few videos, there is potential to go a little higher in the short term in this wave 4. We're going to talk about that in this video. So overall, B wave top in July, you know it, I'm talking about that. And then a wave 1 to the downside, which was here a leading diagonal, bottomed here on the 1st of August, a wave 2 pullback, a wave 3 to the downside, and the wave 4 afterwards, which is what we're doing now, and then a wave 5 down. Can I rule out that this is still all happening within the third wave? No. But the longer and the more substantial this current correction gets, the more likely it will be that we're still in the wave 4, that we are in the wave 4 in yellow. Because what I cannot rule out is that we are still here in wave 3. Nothing I'm primarily looking for. Just wanted to mention that because I had a question below one of my previous videos. Because you could say that within this third wave, obviously we're looking for 5 waves as well, right? So obviously, as explained, if we get these flashes, these quick sell-offs, sometimes you don't get a very clean looking wave 4 and 5. So looking at this, it could very much be that this was a 1, this was a 2, this here was the 3, we're now doing a 4, and would then come down in wave 5 of 3, then another wave 4, and another wave 5 to complete this entire correction. Does it really make a difference to the analysis? No, because in both scenarios we would be looking for another low. So that wouldn't change a thing. It would eventually just open the door for a little bit, some lower prices, maybe more in the region around 22k instead of 23 to 24k. Because at the moment, expectations are that we are in yellow circle wave 4. I mean, that's what I'm going with primarily. That's sort of the base case at the moment. And in this base case, we're watching for this wave 4 to unfold now and to complete. Now, I think the situation here in this correction, in this corrective structure, can be summarized very, very simply. We can say that as long as price stays above the 25,615 or 620 level, that doesn't really matter so much. It's all about this wave A low, and you will find minor differences on different exchanges. But the point is, as long as we stay above the Friday low, there is a potential to travel higher in the into the resistance area of the wave 4. Resistance goes up all the way to 27,720. Ideal target for a fourth wave is here the 38.2 fib level. Price is 27,120, and the potential is just there. And however, if price breaks more directly below that 25,620 level, then we are already heading down more directly in the fifth wave, which would be expected anyway. Question is just, do we go down more directly? Now, I still think there is potential to go a little higher short term, but it's, it's what the market decides. I mean, the key is to understand that as long as we stay below the 27,720 level, there is enough downside pressure to continue to the downside. And this is the level, if broken, I think will ease a lot of that downside pressure. And we would then favor that a low is in place of some sort. At the moment, however, below that level, we're still expecting that fifth wave to happen. The reason is that the fourth wave should not go beyond the 50% retracement. And that's what I'm watching. And I mean, within the fourth wave, you have various possibilities. One possibility I showed you yesterday, it's here the idea that the fourth wave unfolds really as an A, B, C structure. The B wave did unfold as a triangle. We've got a complete Elliott Wave triangle count here in the B wave, and the C wave higher could follow. If this is the wave count, then a key target for that C wave would be the 1-to-1 ratio of the A wave. And that would even take us all the way to 27,560. Another potential target is the 61.8 extension at 26,890. And what is, however, also possible, and I showed you that yesterday as well, is that this entire wave 4 unfolds as a triangle. Okay, so that's always possible because the wave 4 itself is, or often, can be often found as a triangle itself. That would be different in a wave 2. A wave 2 cannot be a triangle, however, a wave 4 can. So at the moment, primarily still watching for downside against the 27,720 level. I think there's a good chance for a higher C wave. However, it would need to break above the horizontal yellow line here, $26,300 to the upside, to confirm that this higher C wave is playing out. Yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.